Don't let him out. Yeah.
He got me again.
Ferret in a Papazon chair.
Ah, come back here.
Pop goes the weasel.
Okay, let him get out.
He likes this. Now let him calm down a little bit. Pet him.
That's not going down.
Come here.
He doesn't bite.
Yes, he does.
Oh, he says, that's nice.
No biting.
Pop goes the weasel.
Can I do it again?
Okay.
You just throw that in the hole.
No, he says, is there a hole here? I could dig through. Rather like a cat, isn't he? It was funny, he was chasing Smokey earlier.
Almost, not quite.
Okay, Slinks.
Back to the cage.
Say bye-bye, Slinky.
He doesn't know. Let's find it.
I'm not really sure what he's looking for.